and a welcome song.
Choo choo, here we go, down the fruity track. A subway made of fruit, there's no turning back. Banana seats and orange wheels, rolling fast and bright. Through the tunnels deep below, everything's alright. Ride, 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 the Fruity Express. Through the tunnels, woo, on a fun-filled quest. Strawberries giggle, blueberries zoom. All aboard, there's plenty of room. Captain Pineapple steers with care, wearing his hat made of leafy hair. But oh no, what's that ahead? A banana peel is on the spread. Ride, 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 the Fruity Express. Through the tunnels, woo, on a fun-filled quest. Strawberries giggle, blueberries zoom. All aboard, there's plenty of room. Mr. Blueberry rolls so fast, moves the peel clear at last. Hip hooray, the train is free, rolling to the market, yippee! Ride, 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 the Fruity Express. Through the tunnels, woo, on a fun-filled quest. Grapes are sleepy, melons cheer, the fruity subway's finally here. Choo choo, choo choo, hear that sound? The Fruity Express is homeward